What's up, everyone? This is Kenzie from Layton Sports Cards here, ripping 2 clearly authentic boxes for Matt G. Thanks and good luck, Matt. All right, first box. We have, nice, have a little Ozzie Smith, 53 out of 99 acetate.
That's cool.
Cool little throwback card there.
The wizard.
Nice. What's up, 6'9", All right, box number 2. Good luck, Matt. Yeah, right? That's a cool one. All right, and a Andreas Galarraga.
Yeah, Galarraga.
Nice looking
That's
auto.
a nice one too.
Yeah.
Couple of legends, I guess, yeah.
That one is 94 out of 99.
Good stuff.
Nice. Congrats on those, Matt. We'll be getting those out to you shortly. Thanks again.